Hello designer, let's start today's lesson. First, remove background. Select and choose subject. Add layer mask. Right-click and select rasterize layer. Select layer and delete mask layer. Press Ctrl J and create duplicate layer. Select mixer brush tool. Select dry heavy load. Click Alt and pick for more realistic and new layer. Select clip mask draw shade. Make sure foreground color is black. Add new layer over the background and select any color you want. It's done. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe.